Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video of something that should not be done in vehicles that have an oil, water cooler, and this is to cancel it. Look, this is a jumpy Citroen and the owner, well, he has cancelled it. You see, that is the water hose through which the coolant that communicates with the cooler goes, and what it does is precisely cool the oil. Look. You see that the owner has not complicated his life much. A screw up, down. What he has done has been to cut, and then he has put the screw in the other entrance. There you can see the cooler. Let's see, there are coolers in which it cannot be done. Of course, in these it can be done because it has the coolant hoses on the outside. Then, here you can do it, but let's see. As I said, I do not advise you to do it, because of course, if we cancel the oil water cooler, what will happen is that the oil and the water will overheat motor, and then it will lose properties, and that will negatively affect to the engine. Okay, as I say this, I do not advise anyone. I have seen it in several vehicles, but as I say, I do not advise anyone. Okay, well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget give a like and subscribe to the channel.